The precision manufacturing site here at O'Sullivan Beach manufactures steel tubes, so a welded precision tube, as opposed to structural tube that requires it to have a very high level of quality of surface. A lot of that tube goes into things like furniture manufacture, heat exchanger tubes, and also fencing products. We have a steel slitting operation which precedes the mills. Following the mills, we have a packing department to pack the cut tubes into bundles. We also have a precision cutting department where we can feed tube into automated cutting machines. We are in the process at the moment of refurbishing a 10-year-old mill which is going to be installed on site as well. So very exciting times. The people we have at O'Sullivan Beach almost feel like a family. Most have been around for a very long time, and it's not uncommon that we have people up in their 30s years of service. Range of operations roles from team leaders through to machine operators, and also a dispatch team that loads our outbound product onto trucks.
So the day-to-day stuff is troubleshooting and repairing any machines that break down, following the preventative maintenance jobs and any other installation work, and at the moment working on stuff for the new mill. So this is the maintenance building, the maintenance workshop. It's divided up, so that end of the workshop is for the tool room. This is where the fitters, the mechanical guys do their work. We have a smaller area there for the electricians. We've also got a little room we call the clean room, which is where we do some PLC programming, electrical drawings and all that sort of stuff. So it's important to, even when things look like they are working really well, we still need to make sure we maintain them properly, keep on top of them. From an electrical point of view, we look at the condition of cables, solenoids, limit switches and that sort of stuff. Look for damage, repair things before they break. So I've been here just almost 9 years. It's local to me. I had a friend that worked here. He recommended the place and said it was a great place to work. So came on board and never really looked back.
I work in the slitting department here at OSB. Yeah, early on I was a cleaner here, and then when my boss let the tender go, we were just joking around one day, and yeah, here I am 2 years later on the floor, yeah, running the slitter.
I had quite a background in steelmaking at the Wireless Steelworks, and when I transferred to Adelaide I was looking for a similar industrial type of role. I was attracted to Orrcon at the time as engineering manager, and was very pleased to note at the time that it was purchased by BlueScope. I was very used to the well-developed safety systems and management style of BlueScope.
It's not a dangerous environment, it's very safe. To see raw materials come in the form of a coil and then see them going out in various shapes and sizes of tube is an interesting process. And it's a great place to learn new skills. And there's not many places that do this sort of thing, so it's a unique sort of place to work, so the skills are very nice to learn. The
site was established in 1967. And at the time was wholly servicing the Hills Industries company, supporting manufacture of products such as the Hills Hoist. Over time, the output from the plant was opened up to customers outside of Hills as well. The Hills Hoist that we have out the front, the very big Hills Hoist, was originally put together, I believe, in 1969 for the 1970 Expo in Brisbane, and was taken to Brisbane and assembled there. The dimensions are quite staggering. It doesn't look so big from some distance, but it is 17 metres in diameter and close to 9 metres tall. But it is all in perfect scale with the old Hills Hoist. I'll notice families pull up with four-wheel drives and big caravans on the back, obviously from interstate. It's very clear they're pulling up because of wanting to get a selfie with the Hills Hoist in the front yard. It's really nice that something that's been there that long is still attracting some interest from people across Australia.